So for my badge for the study and quiz tools, I decided to do a Quizlet, and I mostly made this decision based on it is a kindergarten classroom, so they would need help reading and writing. And mostly for this reason, Quizlet has the audio capability, so like it can read to you the question and it can read to you the answer, and this would be especially helpful for the flashcards. And if some students do know how to type or read, of course, they can play the matching and the gravity games, which I found super simple and just like fun for kindergartners, and they can easily understand it. So in my Quizlet, I have how do blank help me, and then a super simple sentence that they can easily understand and memorize to answer, and stuff like that. I also have open-ended questions that they can try to just listen to and remember. And for assessments, they can, of course, make those questions easier to understand. And of course, I have an anti-example. What is not a community leader? And so I just kept it really short and sweet because they are kindergartners. So yeah.